Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Tonight we are making an ancho lentil soup with grilled pineapple, and we're making our own chili powder. We're getting crazy. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is make our own chili powder. So, grab 2 dried ancho chilies. Believe it or not, this was pretty easy to find. It was only like a couple bucks. Now these aren't super spicy, so don't worry that they're gonna set your hair on fire. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the seeds out. We're just gonna rip these into small pieces. Now we're gonna grab a small skillet and preheat it over a medium-low heat. We're gonna throw in our ancho chili pieces and our cumin seeds. All right, you wanna make sure to stir this often for about 3 to 5 minutes until it starts getting really fragrant. Okay, once that's done, grab a food processor or coffee grinder like me. I use this exclusively for spices at this point. And you're gonna throw the cumin seeds and the ancho pieces into that grinder. It smells good. Little pieces like this is okay. As long as it's coarsely ground like it is now, then you're good. All right, and then you're gonna add your coriander seeds, and we're just gonna lightly pulse this a few times. You just wanna be able to break up the coriander, and you can definitely smell it. Ooh-wee, that's fragrant. Fun fact. Coriander seeds, which give us cilantro when planted, also help our hair grow. They both prevent hair loss and invigorate your roots for new hair growth. And yes, you can even plant the coriander seeds that you buy at the store to grow your own cilantro plant. Okay, now that we have our own ancho chili powder, because we're awesome like that, let's start prepping our other veggies. You got a large onion and some cloves of garlic. All right, grab a large stock pot. We're gonna heat this over a medium heat. We're gonna throw our olive oil in here. All right, we're gonna saute our onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until they get transparent. In the meantime, grab 2 cups of lentils, give them a good wash, and let them drain. All right, now let's add the garlic, cook for another minute. And now we're gonna add pretty much everything else. Our chili powder, and we're gonna mix this up before we add everything else. Now we're gonna add our bay leaves, salt, lentils. Now those are green lentils. And 7 cups of water, vegetable broth, or a mixture of both. All right, we're gonna raise the heat until it gets to a boil. And then we're gonna lower it, let it simmer for about 30 minutes. All right, after we put it down to a low, I'm gonna move it to a different burner because we're gonna grill some pineapple. All right, if you don't have a grill pan, then you're gonna use a broiler. Cook the pineapple rings for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This is much more fun though. All right, we're gonna heat this on a high heat. Give it a good spray with some oil. You're gonna need about 6 to 8 pineapple rings. I'm only doing 4 because I'm not throwing a party tonight. We're gonna grill these pineapple rings for about 4 minutes on each side until they get some nice grill lines. Gotta tell you, all the smells in this kitchen are quite interesting right now. All right, we got one more thing to do. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and we're gonna do a few lime wedges for garnish. I'm gonna check these lentils and see how tender they are. Might cook this for another 5 minutes. You're gonna see if it needs to be thinned out or if it's fine as it is. Really just, I think, depends on how soupy you want it. Let's grab your bay leaves out, add your lime juice. I am gonna add just a little bit more water. And then you're gonna grab an immersion blender or a potato masher. You're gonna mash it up about halfway till a desired thickness. All right, we're ready to bowl it up. Let's try it. You're supposed to put a little hot sauce on it too. I don't know how I feel about this pineapple being in my soup. I'll tell you that much right now. Got a big bite of hot sauce. So the ancho chili is very mild. It's not super spicy. It is like hints of the ancho. I have to say, I don't think I've ever had grilled pineapple before. And I certainly never would have thought of putting it in a soup. This is a very exotic tasting soup, I gotta tell you. Of course, the sweetness of the pineapple with some of the hot sauce that you get. They're interesting flavors, that's for sure. I don't really know what to say about it. It's different. Other than adding an interesting flavor to the soup, I would not grill the pineapple and put it on there. I don't really get that. It does add an interesting flavor to it, so I guess why not? I would say maybe add a little bit more lime juice. Definitely throw in some hot sauce. It's a relatively mildly flavored soup. But yeah, there you go. I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen. The alarm, smoke alarm silenced in the kitchen.